Hi there, I'm Amoratnan Sadik. Today I will discuss about run-on sentence. So let's get started. So what is run-on sentence? I think you are seeing my screen. A run-on sentence occurs when two or more independent clauses are joined together without proper punctuation or conjunction. So make run-ons make it difficult for the reader to understand where one thought ends and another begins. So here some example on run-on sentences, and I corrected it. Correction run-on sentence. Use a period or full stop. For example, I love to write papers. I would write on every day if I had the time. There are two independent clause. I love to write papers. So we just put it full stop. Then we write, I would write on every day if I had the time. So we separated two sentences by using period or full stop. Next, use a semicolon. I love to write paper. It is same sentence there. I would write on every day if I had the time. So in revise to write this, I love to write papers. There we put semicolon and space. I would write on every day if I had the time. So this is a complete sense and with punctuation. Next, use a comma and a coordinating conjunction. So what is coordinating conjunction? We already know. Coordinating conjunction is and, but, or, like pen voice. Okay. So I love to write papers. I would write on every day if I had times. So I revise it and write, I love to write papers, comma. Next, I would write on day, on every day if I had time. Next, we use subordinate subordinate conjunction. I love to write papers, comma. I would. So, okay, there is a mistake here. Actually, I have to put first because I love to write papers. I would next comma and I would write to every day if I had time and full stop. And last but not least, use a semicolon before a transitional expression and comma after it. The result of the study were inclusive semicolon. Therefore, comma, more research needs to be done to complete. So I think this topic is clear to you. If you face some problems, write it on comment section and I will check and correct it. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.